If Pluto TV keeps freezing, do not start with a factory reset. Fix it in the right order. Network first, then app, device, server status, and only then the deep resets. Pluto TV behaves more like live television than Netflix. Live channels need steady data. A short bandwidth dip can freeze Pluto, while other on-demand apps still look fine. Start with 3 questions. Does Pluto freeze on every device? Do other streaming apps freeze too? Does it happen mostly at night? Those answers point to the right fix. Run a speed test near the TV, not beside the router. Check download speed and ping. Live free channels are less forgiving than apps that can pre-buffer a whole episode. Next, restart the router. Unplug power for 60 seconds, plug it back in, wait for the connection to fully return, and then test the same Pluto channel again. If Wi-Fi is weak, move the device closer or use Ethernet. Wired networking removes interference and packet loss. For sticks without Ethernet, a USB adapter can help. Now, update the Pluto TV app. On Roku, highlight Pluto and check for updates. On Fire TV, use Manage Installed Applications. On Samsung, update from the TV App Store. Clear cache where the device allows it. Fire TV and Android TV have app cache controls. Roku usually needs a remove and reinstall instead. Your account favorites should sync back. Force stop the app before reopening it. A normal exit does not always release stuck memory or a broken player session. Force stop, reopen Pluto, and test one live channel. Old hardware matters. Budget smart TVs and first-generation sticks often have limited memory, and ad-supported live apps can be heavier than expected. A newer stick can be the real fix. Also, update the device firmware. Check Roku System Update, Fire TV About Updates, or Samsung Software Update. App problems sometimes disappear after the TV platform itself is patched. Before deep fixes, check whether Pluto is down. If every device freezes at the same time, look at Down Detector or Pluto TV status posts before changing your router settings. Keep a backup free TV app for outages. Samsung TV Plus, Tubi, and Shumo can cover the same casual viewing need, while Pluto is having server trouble. If cache does not help, reinstall Pluto TV, remove the app, restart the device, then install a fresh copy from the official App Store. If you use a VPN, turn it off for one test. VPNs add latency, and some IP ranges can be blocked. Pluto may buffer or fail before the video even starts. Factory reset comes last. It erases apps and settings, so only use it after network fixes, app updates, cache, reinstall, firmware, and outage checks have failed. The best order is simple. Speed test, router restart, app update, cache, Ethernet, reinstall, firmware, outage check, and then support or factory reset. Scan the QR or open smarttvs.org for the full Pluto TV freezing guide with Roku, Fire TV, Samsung, Wi-Fi, cache, outage, and prevention steps.